Today marks 25 years of the Nasdaq MarketSite lighting up Times Square. Joining us right now is Nasdaq's President Nelson Griggs. And Nelson, good morning.
Great to be here. Thanks for having me.
So 25 years, that takes us back to 1999 that this location has been here. Nasdaq obviously a lot older, back to 1971. But this has become a mainstay in Times Square. Obviously, it's our home, too. I look pretty routinely at the pictures that are on the way coming in here, and you've got photos of the opening bell ringing for Nasdaq IPOs, including Jeff Bezos from Amazon, including Howard Schultz standing there with Starbucks. You've got eBay. You've got Bill Gates ringing the opening bell here too.
I think I've seen Jamie Dimon.
Jamie Dimon is in the Starbucks one.
Starbucks one, exactly. Wow.
Good. Watch all these pictures pretty frequently. We've come a long way. What is new? What is different?
Gosh.
What should we be thinking about?
Yeah, what is new, I think, is every day the excitement that happens in this building. So I've been with Nasdaq for 23 years, so a lot of that time. And just as we watch Nasdaq grow, but really the companies grow with us, it's just remarkable who comes in here. Not only we do about 500 bells a year. We do 2,000 events here. You host your shows. Fast Money does. Just the activity level is just awesome. And the fact that we get to see these names you mentioned, but also the new companies going public and watching what they can do to change the world, it's a fascinating place to work and to be every day.
There were some highs when those earlier bell ringings came, when we talked about it, but that was before the collapse, the 2001 bubble bursting with these issues, too. Been through a lot since that time. And the IPO market has been pretty dry, below the 10-year average for quite a while. But we are seeing a few signs that things are starting to pick up, and you've got the Fed cutting rates. What does all that mean? Yeah,
that's right, Becky. If you think about it, we obviously got a very active years in 2020 and 21. Almost we'd say too active. Then 22, 23, pretty big slowdown, and now we're doubling last year off a pretty low base. But we've had about 110 IPOs on Nasdaq, 17 billion capital raised. We've seen the biotech market kind of heat up a little bit before the election. Half the capital raise is private equity. That's not real normal. So it's the VC market, the tech market, that we really think is a 2025 story. But right now, all the signs point to green in terms of the indicators we watch. So we do anticipate a much better year next year.
What's been holding things back? What's different? Why is it going to be different?
I think, again, you had that glut of so many companies went public in 2020 and 21. That was part of it. And then you just look at the performance of the broad market. We finally started to see the broadening out of the market kind of second half of this year, but it was really concentrated for a while in the top stocks. So a new IPO was a harder thing for the buy side to digest. And so we're just really seeing that's a factor, but also it has moved a bit in terms of what the buy side expects. So they're looking for larger companies. They're looking for companies with a real clear path to profitability or very close to profitability. So the buy side's pretty fickle. They change quickly, and they change these companies very quickly.
That's what's made it more complicated, is the buy side wants to see companies that can actually make a profit before.
Well, if you look at it, was all about 2020, 21 were about growth and more growth and more growth. Yeah. And then it was like, well, we'd love to see the growth. We also want to see a path to profitability. So it's really that combination looking for in larger size companies. So, again, we're starting to see somebody out and do pretty well.
Do you remember who was here and made the decision that Times Square was a place? Because think of it. We look at it now. It's a perfect fit. And in '91, it wasn't quite the deuce. It wasn't quite the straight. It had already been cleaned up. It was okay. It wasn't that big.
But this was part of remaking Times Square.
It was part of it. But look at how the neon. You got the New York Stock Exchange down there with the big pillars and the statues of the people like this, and then you got the Nasdaq, the home of Amazon, the home of all the tech stocks. With it made perfect sense. But it was a little bit of a stretch.
Back then, it was a little bit of a stretch.
We still deal with some Times Square issues. I don't know.
It is New York City, right? But at the same time, there's been also 20 trillion of AUM, assets under management, in Times Square area alone. So we do kind of view it as a little bit of the new Wall Street, but also the excitement here, the buzz when things are really clicking. It's exciting.
What was the anxiety about doing it? Because remember, this building became the home to Skadden, the big law firm. Condé Nast moved here. You guys moved here. I think Reuters moved across the street originally. I mean, there was a move.
Taco Bell.
There was a move to to total this. But 25 years ago, this was a completely different place.
Absolutely.
By the way, the New York Times used to be just down there. They moved over there. I mean, there's a whole thing going on.
They're showing all these pictures of us. I keep thinking.
I thought that.
Yeah, I can't see the pictures, but I think we were ahead of our time a little bit. And
were there people inside the company that were saying this is crazy?
I think you looked at where it was, as you said, a lot of changes in Times Square over the last 2 decades.
It was a big bet.
Much more. It was a very, very big bet. And I think as I now go around the globe and see this tower everywhere and the imagery of Times Square, but also it really is that assets under management that followed this, all the names you mentioned. So it just has become an area that it's
Can I ask
exciting.
a terrible question because I do know this. Real estate here used to actually be very cheap. So one of the reasons, in truth, that I know that like Skadden and Condi moved here originally was because the real estate guys were offering a deal to be here. Yeah. Do you guys own this piece of property, or do you lease this piece of property?
We lease it, long-term lease.
Okay. Has that changed? Because obviously Skadden left.
Yep.
Condé Nast went all the way downtown because that's cheaper too.
Yeah.
What about you?
We recently did a relook of what our best location is for Nasdaq and determined this was going to be our home. Okay. So we were multiple locations in New York as a company, but now our entire headquarters is here. So we have not only this floor. We have the second floor where Fast Money is. We have a big event space on the 10th floor. We have our corporate headquarters on the 26th, 27th, 28th. So this is home for Nasdaq.
Who's the landlord here?
So you got a good deal, I would assume, to
we got it. We feel very comfortable with our long-term lease here.
Long-term, like Hong Kong, or what are we talking?
I don't know the exact numbers back here, but we're here for the duration. We love the location. We love. Again, you look at that iconic tower. I know you see it all every day, so we get used to it. But as I go around and people put their pictures up there, it's a thing that makes people smile.
This was already like this. You didn't do this for us, right? Right? The fishbowl.
They didn't do it for us. They did it for them.
Yeah,
well, I hope we find this is a pretty good mutual partnership here. The excitement around having you here is awesome.
When you moved in here, you knew Elmo would walk by naked.
I didn't. We didn't have a vision of Elmo walking by,
but he by definition is naked, so it's not a big deal.
I haven't.
It's covered in fur. He's not anatomically correct. He's,
yeah, but we're excited
he's 3 years old.
We're excited for the future here. We're excited for what the markets can be in 25. Pretty decent little end of the year here, coming with some IPOs.
Great.
So we'll see.